In the world of cybersecurity, protecting organizational assets is the game, with TVM and TEM being two key players on the field. Let's delve into how they play differently to keep the cyber threats at bay. TVM, or traditional vulnerability management, is like a meticulous inspector, identifying and classifying known vulnerabilities in systems and software using a database of known issues to scan and secure. TEM, or threat exposure management, on the other hand, broadens the horizon. It identifies vulnerabilities too, but ventures further to assess various risks and potential threats, painting a bigger picture of the threat landscape. When it comes to approach, TVM is reactive, addressing vulnerabilities after they've been identified. TEM, conversely, is proactive, aiming to foresee and mitigate threats before they make a move, identifying potential risk areas and taking preventive measures. Risk assessment in TVM is often based on the severity of known vulnerabilities. TEM takes a holistic approach, considering the likelihood, impact, and the organization's readiness to respond to a threat. TVM does involve monitoring, but it may be less continuous or extensive. TEM, however, emphasizes continuous vigilance, always on the lookout to spot vulnerabilities and assess digital risk exposure. TVM might have a narrower focus on integrating threat intelligence. TEM, however, leverages threat intelligence extensively to foresee potential threats and adapt to the evolving threat landscape. Communication in TVM might be more technical and often confined to the IT department. TEM promotes a broader dialogue about risks and threats across different organizational stakeholders, fostering a shared understanding and readiness. TVM may use automated tools to scan for known vulnerabilities. TEM integrates automation and tools like threat intelligence platforms to streamline processes, allowing for a more robust and dynamic defense against cyber threats. TVM and TEM aim to fortify an organization against cyber threats. However, TEM adopts a more comprehensive, proactive, and integrated approach towards identifying, assessing, and managing cyber risks and threats. Understanding the distinct approaches of TVM and TEM helps navigate the complex waters of cybersecurity.